reportedly running out of COVID vaccines, just as the government there was planning to boost the nationwide vaccination programme. India's healthcare system is unable to cope with the scale of the crisis. More than 352,000 new cases were reported in the past 24 hours and more than 2,800 deaths. The Indian government says there is no need to panic, as our correspondent Davina Guptina reports.
A haunting warning. His funeral pyre burned through the night in the western Indian city of Nagpur. They indicate how the country is failing to save precious lives. For the fifth straight day, India saw a record high of over 2,800 deaths. A worsening scenario as hospitals and COVID wards face acute shortage of beds, oxygen supply and this public hospital in India's capital, Delhi, simply unable to cope. A mother who's on oxygen support and needs immediate aid. But like many others, they are forced to wait outside.
Since morning we are calling people, trying to ladies respond to these are enough. I don't know, since my mother is admitted since so long.
The ambulance driver who drove them here
We've been waiting since 11 in the morning. Not seriously ill she is.
Even though the government is opening new facilities to admit patients and transport additional oxygen supply to the city, they cannot meet the unprecedented rush in hospitals. For now, countries like the UK and the US have come to India's aid with essential medical supplies and oxygen kits. But much more is needed. And until then, for thousands in the city, the endless nightmare continues in the day. This hospital in North Delhi, oxygen stock dwindled. Families like that of Rajat were told to organize to cylinder by paying 900 times the real cost to a tout. For him, it's a small price to keep other alive and breathing in the ice.
10 लीटर का सिलेंडर लेकर आए उससे क्या होगा?
It won't last for more than 1 hour. Where do we go? Which government